And here's the Rocket Copters. Alright, these are the ones you see on TV. It says launch like a rocket, flies like a helicopter. Alright. There's the back side of it. I think we'll open them up and see how they do. Let's see how we open this up here. There we go. There's your handheld launchers. There's 3 of them here, because you got like 6 or 8 rockets there. Right here. Alright, let's see how this works. Right here. That comes off. Like so. Alright. Let's see if we can get one of the copters out here. There's one right there. Fold here, it says. Okay. So we'll fold it right there. Just like that. Make it a little copter. Do the other side the same way. Like that. Okay, now we'll let it come down like a copter. There's your button, looks like. There's your light. Turn the light off, show you how it works here. See how it does glow. Wow. Really bright. Be ready to fire that tonight and see how it works. Here's your launcher. See the little hook right there? Hook it into the rubber band like that and fire it. Alright. There you see how it works. We're going to be taking them outside here in just a minute. Push the button so the battery don't run down. Take them outside and fire it. We'll do it tonight and show you in the dark. Alright, let's go. Now here's your instructions. Shows you how to turn the light on, how to set it up, fold it, how to fire it. And we're going to take it outside and try it. And here's one of your daytime launches. See, hook the hook on the nose into the rubber band like so. Sure you don't get it twisted up. Makes a little whistle when it takes off too. Okay, hold on to the red handle on the very bottom there like so. And fire it. There you go. Now we're outside. Let's see how it shines. Look at here. Woo! That didn't shoot that as far as it would go, but it went up pretty high. Look at that. Spirals as it comes down. I think we'll try that again. See how it does. Here we go. Hear that whistle as it takes off? Spirals down like a helicopter, alright. You just got to be careful if they've been on the shelf for a long time. The rubber bands get old. Pop occasionally. But there's 3 of them in here, so let's do this again. This is rather fun. If you haven't tried these, they're available. Here, whistle. I think I'll catch it. Yeah, there we go. Caught that one. Let's do that again. Not a lot of wind out here at night, but during the day there's quite a bit. You got to be careful, the wind will blow it off. Here we go. Let me catch it. Yeah, there we go. Alright, I think that's enough for this time. This is a pretty exciting little setup here. If you haven't tried these yet, there's the way they look when they come out of the package. All right, we will see you next time.